Hello everyone, let's come back to the video. Now here, in your previous class I have given homework to you based on the comparison of rational numbers. So few students had explained there, few had correctly solved, but still I think few are having little confusion in it. So for these kind of confusions, I would like to give you the detailed solution of it. Okay, so let's see. Here is the solution for your homework questions. But next time onwards, I'm expecting as much as possible response from you peoples that you have to solve it. Whether it is incorrect doesn't matter, but just try to solve that question so that I'll get idea about whatever depth you are understanding or not. Okay, so please solve that questions and reply it. The way how to reply your homeworks, that video already we have posted in your WhatsApp groups. The link, if you need any kind of help from me, just call me there. Okay, otherwise send message to me on WhatsApp or otherwise in your class. Okay, in your Google Classroom also you can ask me, I'll explain you there. So now here the solution and explanation for your homework questions. Now these are the three questions that I had asked to you. Let me solve it one by one and let me explain it to you. Here is the solution. Okay, in this solution your first question, it was the rational numbers 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3 both are positive rational numbers. Yes, it is. But now here the denominators are different, 4 and 3. So what we have to do, our first step, we have to go for LCM of these denominators, that is 4 and 3, and their denominators LCM is 12. LCM is 12. Now what we have to do, we have to make common same denominator of both the rational numbers, that we have to make 12 as denominator for that first rational number as well as for that second rational number too. Now to make it 12, what we have to do, we have to multiply this first denominator 4 by 3 so that we will get 12 as a denominator over here. So for numerator also we have to multiply by 3, and like this way we will get 1 multiplied by 3, that is 12. 1 multiplied by 3, that is 3 upon 12. Okay, so now again here 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8, and again upon 12. So here upon 12 in both the places, both the things are similar. Okay, right. So now we can compare their numerators because denominators are same. At the condition when numerator and denominator in the form of your rational number had given to you, that time the comparison will be based on the numerators. So here in this case your numerators are 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are the numerators. So now which one is bigger? 8 is the bigger number. That's why the right hand side rational number is greater than that of left hand side rational numbers. So in this case this 2 upon 3 is greater than 1 upon 4. So this is your solution for first example. Okay, note down it quickly. Let me rough it. Okay, here is your solution. So note down quickly in your notebook, pause this video and note it in your notebook. Let me go for that second solution. Okay, here it was your second question. Okay, in this second question, in this question the rational numbers are given to you that are 5 by 6 and 1 by 3. Again the same case here, that both the rational numbers are positive rational numbers. If both are positive rational numbers, by the time we have to go for their equivalent fractions. Okay, so again we have to go for their checking denominators. Here 6 is the denominator for first one, here 3 is the denominator for second one. So for this we have to go for their LCM, and LCM of both the numbers 6 and 3 is your 6. So 6 will be your new denominator. Now convert it. Here it will remain as it is, that's why we have multiplied by 1. If you are not even multiplying, doesn't matter, leave it as it is, still it will be okay. For your convenience I have given this step also. Even if you are not writing this step, still it is okay. It is not mandatory, it is not important. Okay, this one, but still for convenience, for understanding purpose I have written this. Now Again the second one, what we need to do, we need to do denominator as 6. Earlier what we had 3 here, so multiply this 3 by 2, we will get 6. So also that numerator 2 we have to multiply with the same number. So 1 multiplied by 2, again we will get 2 in numerator. So like this way we got 2 upon 6. Here the first rational number will be 5 upon 6. Here 2 upon 6. So 5 is greater or 2 is greater? Of course 5 is greater. That's why LHS is left hand side rational number is greater than that of right hand side rational number. So 5 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 3. Like this way you can solve this question. Now let me go for the third one. Okay, here it was your third question, right? In your third homework question, I don't think that you need to take too much stress for it, as if you have remembered the explanation whatever I had given to you earlier, then that time directly by looking at this question you can answer within a second. I said within a second only. How? Just look at their signs, positive and negative. So positive number is greater there or negative number is greater? Of course positive number is greater. That's why 5 upon 4 is greater than that of minus 2 upon 3. Okay. So make note of it. Note down in a notebook too. Okay. Let's go for another topic now in next video. Till then note down all these solutions and reply whenever I am asking you any question for your homework. Note down it in your notebook, capture photographs and upload that photographs as it is. Even though that will be photograph, doesn't matter. Even though that will be the PDF files, doesn't matter. I will accept that all. Okay, but at least reply there. Okay, you are not even replying. Okay, take care all of you and keep studying.